Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate project on Capcut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my PC. And we have to choose a project we want to duplicate. And for example guys, I'm going to duplicate this project. So we need to go to the project and click on these three dots. Click on it and there will be some options for us, and since we want to duplicate this project, we can click on duplicate. Alright, and as you can see that the project has been duplicated, and let's practice it one more time. I'm going to duplicate this project. We can go to the project or move our cursor to this project and click on the three dots and click on duplicate. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to duplicate project on Capcut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.